naisipan ko ulit mag-record. Kasi why not? Ah, Pag-usapan naman natin yung pangarap ko. I don't think na-post ko yun about it. Siguro napag-usapan ko. So, the update as of now, hindi naman as of now. Like, hindi na as of now. The update, officially speaking, is, wala. Wala. Like, wait lang, lumili. Bale, hindi talagang papayagan. And na-touch na ako sa Baguio City. Putang ina. Like, I don't know, like whenever I go out, I'm in Baguio City. It feels nice. It feels so fucking great. I can't say about, anything na nasa baba. Hindi ko alam about them. No. Pero, I don't know. Pero yung nangyari kasi is, noong October kami umuwi, doon na nagsimula. Hindi naman medyo. Doon na nagsimula na matats ako sa Baguio City. Yeah, I can't really believe I'm saying this kasi Baguio is Baguio, malit lang naman yan. Good universities and all that, pero sayang yung nasa baba diba? Pero, ayun nga, na-touch ako sa place, sa city na to. Like, I started, like, looking at this fine architectural buildings. And imagine ko na, ito na pala yung maging life ko after next year sa college. I'll be seeing this every fucking damn day. I'll be walking through this every damn day. I'll be seeing these people every damn day. It's gonna be a fucking routine. So, na-imagine ko, siguro parang, I think I was romanticizing my life that time. Kasi ang ganda-ganda, like, outfit is good, music is good, wow, tangina, like, parang ganun. I don't know. And na-attach rin ako sa lola ko. Kasi, the goal before, diba, is mag-UST ako for senior, if not for senior school, for college. So, hindi Bakit nga ba? At least I have to answer that question. No, ayun na, na-touch ako sa place, and then na-touch rin ako sa lola ko. So, ayun, mas gusto ko tuloy na alagahan siya compared na ipaalaga sa iba, or kumpara naman sa bumisita ko every now and then sa kanya. Parang tataas pa ako, babiyahe pa ako. Financially speaking, mas makakatipid na rin. So I can see that point, no. So, ayun. I still love Baguio City. Kaya, dito na ako mag-aaral officially. It's either, gaging lalim na mata ko, kitang-kita talaga, no. Shit. Bale yung plano kasi, yes. It's either I'm gonna take the course BS Psych or BS Nursing. No, bakit BS Nursing? No, and what's my plan? So, nursing naman, mag-master degree ako. After ko mag-master, okay, like, work experience and all that. Tapos para kung mag-master degree, increase pay and then increase experience ba? Sayang naman, diba? I don't wanna settle for less. As a man, I can do more. So, mag-master degree ako. And then after ko mag-master degree, I'm gonna subspecialize in another field of nursing. So that's like OR nurse, I think, or critical care nurse. Basta yung nasa OR kasi dun pinakamalapit yung original dream ko bago siya mag-alternate and magbago and mag-transform. So, yun. Let me like take a sip of one more milk. Okay. Then yun. And of course, lipat ako ng bansa. Not Saudi. Sa Saudi ako pinanganak pero hindi ako babalik dun. It's either Australia, UK, or yun lang yung choices ko Well, pero of course, I'm 18. This will obviously change. Pero yun yung reason ko. Yun yung process ko. And it's all about the money. Nursing is like, yun yung malapit sa dream goal ko, sa like, original goal ko. And yun. Bakit psych? Kasi I enjoy socializing. Ang dami ko nakakausap sa Discord. Madami ko nakakausap sa Discord. Madami rin na-form na friendships sa Discord, sa Omega Latin. Madami akong na-form na friendships and connections dyan. And the only reason why like nag-call up ako is like not to really make friends. Make friends and connections as well, pero you know, to have to make a bond with them, to form a bond with them na kahit hindi kami like siguro kahit isang beses lang kami mag-usap, maalala niya pa rin. Like, I wanna leave an impact, ganon, sa buhay nila. No? And I wanna enhance it further by studying BS Psychology. Kasi pag naaral ko yun, I feel like I'm gonna understand them more. And my skills in socializing is going to be more, you know, be effective. So sabihin na iba, why not BS Communication? Why not BS Bachelor of Arts ato yun? Or like, basta anything communication related course. No? At hindi yun. Gusto ko kasi gusto ko sila intindihin in their deeper levels. And gusto rin naman makatulong sa, you know, sa mental health natin. You know, namin nagpapakamatay and all that. So, I wanna understand them further. I wanna assist them. I wanna help them. Yan yung reason kung ba't gusto ko mag-BS. Like, plus, there's one person that made me, not really made me, but inspired me to choose this course. So, ayun. Yun pa naman yung reason ko. And it's the same as well. After work experience, mag-master of degree ako. And then work. Yan, madami kasi eh. Pag clinical, you have to like go to med school. So, ayoko. So, baka HR lang. Pero we'll see. Well, hindi ko pa naman na-plan yun. Basta, master of degree, I've already did 2 courses na pipiliin ko. Sure na ako dun. So, sure na ako sa yung path na yun, is like sub-specialization. Sa psych, wala pang idea. Basta, ang goal ko lang for psych is master of degree. Then after that, tapos na. Okay? Ayun, nag-conscious ako dito. Pero, yun na nga. And then, yan. I don't know about IT. I don't know about culinary. Kasi walang culinary schools dito. So, it's either of the two. Yun lang talaga yung choices ko. No? And, anong pinag-usapan ulit natin? Yeah, we're like, kung ba tumalpak yung dream ko. Pero yun na nga, ipipili ko dito sa Baguio. Dito sa Baguio City. No? And then, parang, paano ba sabihin to? I love Baguio City. I love this city as well. I love this city so much. And all that. Siguro parang at some point, hindi naman kasi sayang yung pangarap ko eh. Kasi, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to apply to the 3 universities that I've mentioned dati, like in the past video. Pero kung hindi nyo alam, that's LaSalle, FEU, and then UST. But I feel like UST and FEU lang yung priority ko. Yan lang. Like, I wanna know if I have the chance in either of those two. No. Upkat sana, pero alanganin yung time. Hindi naman pwede umuwi ako dito for, you know, para still viewers and all that, gastos yan. So, ayun. And then if nakapasama na ako, hindi ako mag-re-enroll, pero I'm gonna print it out. I'm gonna like put it in a frame. And then I'm just gonna look at it, and then, shit, nag-qualify pala ako. So if ever man in another universe na pinayagan ako, alam ko may pag-asa ako. Alam mo yun, like that assurance na may kaya ka pala, like that assurance, that fact, that alam mong pasok ka sa university na to. Hindi ka bagsak, hindi ka unqualified, hindi ka waitlisted, pasado ka, qualified ka. Even though na hindi ka makapasok, it's still nice knowing, and contento na rin ako doon. Yun natin, kung di ako nag-qualify, then at least alam ko, diba? Diba? So wala akong, you know, after 50 years, after 10 years, wala akong, sayang. Hindi ko ginawa to, sayang, hindi ko sinubukan to. So, it's good. Gagawin ko talaga. Pero Baguio pa rin ako all in all. And it simply proves na ito yung mali ko rin sa pangarap ko eh. I went too fast. Masyado kong minadali. Na nag-open yung applications page for senior high school, Nag-print kagad ako without my parents' approval. Like, I felt at that time, papayagan talaga ako no matter what. Like, I felt at that time, I'm gonna win no matter what. Pero, kabalik na rin yung nangyari. Bakit? Kasi, masyado akong mabilis gumalaw. I went too fast. Wala pang parents' approval, pero yun yung una kong mali eh. No? Doon ako nagkamali. If, well, kung hindi ko siya minadali, if, I let it take it some time, ganun, I probably had the chance na mag-senior high school sa UST. Pero wala eh. So, yun. Bummer. Well, that simply proves na wag kayo magmamadali sa pangarap niya. Kung may goal kayo, planuhin niyo yan. Sige, planuhin niyo all you want. Pero once na nandyan na, once na lumabas na opportunity, don't rush it. If you're in a situation kung saan 50-50 yung chance, no, kung saan, in my case, parang ganun rin tayo, don't rush it, please. Kasi papalpak yan. Or, by coincidence, who knows, diba, by luck, pumasa, maging successful. No. Pero yun na, yun yung mali ko. Masyado akong minadali. No. You can plan all you want, pero pala eh. And then second, na na-realize ko rin sa pangarap ko is, kahit ilang years mo nang pinano yan, I planned it for like, I was grade 7. Basta sa past videos, I think that was it. Grade 7 ko siya pinlano. Hindi ko sinireso yung kasi online class, so alam mo yun. Kapyahan. Typical stuff. So, yeah. And sabi ko pinano, naging sure ako, kinonfirm ko na final na to by grade 10. Grade 10, sineryoso ko na, tapos wala. So, hindi lahat ng plano mo, like, no matter how well it is so planned, no matter how concrete, how well organized your plan is, na alam mo talagang gagawin mo, it's not always gonna work. Hindi siya laging gagana. There's a lot of factors that you have to consider for that dream, no, to come true, para matupad, no. Daming kailangan isipin. So no matter how well it is, there's always that possibility, or be open rather with the possibility of that plan failing. At pag nag-fail yun, dati wala na, end of the world na natin practically. Yun yung ramdamad ko, like, bumalpak yung pangarap ko. I didn't know what to do. Like, sayang to ngayon, just like, I have to start at number 1, at like level 1 again. So, parang sayang yung oras ko. Like, sayang yung binigay kong oras, linaan ko na oras during those times. Pero, to think of it, hindi naman sayang kasi, this is experience. At ranasan ko to. So, masakit sa dibdib. Oo. Pero wala tayong magagawa eh. The impediment becomes the way. So, ayun, medyo dinamdam ko yung emotions ko. I recognize na, shit, wala, palpak, ganyan. All that. And then, ayun na. Hindi muna ako after pumalpak ng plano ko, hindi muna ako nagplano for a good 10 months or couple of months. Hindi ako nagplano. Kasi I was scared na maybe pumalpak ulit. Nagplano lang ako nung naramdaman ko na it was really time to really plan for it. Then while I was planning for it, ito. Hindi, like, naging realistic ako. Hindi ko pinlan yung buong layout ko. In my plan, basically, I left out some blanks. No? With the possibility, and those blanks is a signal. Okay, those blanks are basically a signal or a doorway for change. If ever man may mabago ko, ma-adjust ko. Ganun. Yung plano ko is like, pwede siyang mag-adapt, pwede siyang magbago anytime. Hindi ko talaga pinanarulan na, okay, ito na yung plano ko. Ito na yan. Hindi na to pwede magbago. Ganyan na yan. Hindi. I left out some blanks. I left out some question marks, uncertainties, na masasagot ko in the future. And then, like, one thing is, you can never be sure of the future. So, kung magpaplano ka, open, leave a doorway for change, for anything, for any situation na pwedeng mangyari. Para if ever man na nangyari yun, makakapag-adjust ka, di ba? And then, yun. Pumalpak yung plano ko, and then after a couple of months, ayun, nagplano ulit ako, naayos ko naman. Then here I am right now, studying, not really studying, pero planning, like, planning it again. Medyo dinadagdagan ko pa ng couple of bullet points kung anong gagawin ko pag nangyaring ganito yung stuff like that, kung anong gagawin ko. And yeah, ganun lang. Siguro whenever I look back, yun yung parang biggest sana ko. And the only way that I could satisfy my sana is pag nag-apply ako sa USTE, sa next school year, pag nalaman ko na pag qualified ba ako hindi, dun lang masasatisfy, dun lang makontento yung sana ko. No? Kasi, like, looking back, I was an USTE guy. Gagi. Pinaglalaban ko yung pangarap ko. I advocated my dream. Alam ng mga friends ko yun eh. Close friends of mine, alam nila kung gaano ako ka-enthusiastic. Kung gaano ako ka-excited, ka-happy when it comes to UST. And then like looking back, I'm still happy for it. Pero, shit happens and we have to move on and change. Hindi naman pwede na magmukmuk lang talaga tayo. No. Pero at the same time, I'm happy kasi nangyari rin to. It must have meant something. Gagi, ito. Kunin natin to. Yung, this. Para sa pangarap, guys. Para sa pangarap. Sa wakas. Kahit bobo ako sa mga bagay-bagay, alam ko na rin ang gusto kong gawin sa buhay ko. Pagsisikapin ko to. At hindi ko hayaan na sirain nila to. Pagpapatuloy kong pangarap ng mga solusyon sa mga hindi ko na ipagpatuloy. Nawawala yung peace kasi 1/2. So, meron pang isa na I don't know, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko nalala kung saan ko nilagay. Bro. Yeah. I mean like, telling it to you guys, to myself, parang masakit sa dibdib eh. I can feel that, pero we have to accept it. At some degree, at some point of our life, kailangan natin tanggapin. Kasi kung hindi natin tatanggapin at bumumuk lang tayo, wala tayong makakabot sa buhay, wala rin naman mangyayari sa atin. So, sayang lang na magmukmuk ka for like the rest of your life. Like fucking stand up. Do it again, plan it again. Paglaban mo ulit. But do better. Ano mo yan? Ganun. Mga typical motivational videos na ikita mo sa YouTube. Pero, yan na. Yun naman sabi ko. That's how my dream failed and how I found another plan for it. No? And ayun lang. Hindi ko alam. Anyway, you guys, as always, paglaban niyo yung pangarap niyo. Kasi sayang pa rin yan eh. Kung gusto niyo, if you have the passion for it, like, if you have, the strength and all that, go for it, paglaban mo. Pero always be open for possibilities na maaari pumalpak yan. Na maaaring may mangyari dyan. So, make it adaptable to any change, to any situation. Para kahit anong mangyari, ma-adjust mo. And then, along the way, ayun pa rin pangarap mo, hindi siya magbabago. Kasi kung ano yung mga naman nangyari doon, kung ano yung mga situations na nangyari doon, nakapag-adjust ka na. So, ayun. Live for the experiences. Mabuhay kayo para sa mga karanasan. Ay, dami nagbago sa mga last quote ko, napansin ko lang. Dati kasi yun, like, you only live one life. Make it the best one. Tapos ngayon, ito na, nagbago na. To live is experience everything the universe could ever offers. Pinalit ko lang, pinasimplify ko na lang. So, nga. Despite everything, huwag niyo kalimutan mabuhay. Nalaga yun. Bye-bye. Take care.